Hello guys and welcome to another post-market analysis of Bank Nifty. Let me increase the text size here first. Yeah, so that now this section is readable. Okay, so here we have the price action of the Bank Nifty for today, and it's been a wonderful trending day for the Bank Nifty and both Nifty. All right, so before getting into the dissection of Bank Nifty's chart and see what we can learn from today's price action, let us head to a daily chart so that we can see how Bank Nifty is going to perform for the next coming days, if not at least understand the price action here. So as you can clearly see from the last many days we are talking, see on this hammer day, red candle hammer day on January 3rd, we have discussed that from this level it has taken a support from then it has remained to be support, and even on our weekly analysis video we have marked that level and also this level. So you should let Bank Nifty to come out of these levels, either to be bullish or bearish in either direction. But see here, there is another zone if the Bank Nifty is coming out of this price action. So as we can already see, it has a very clear, apart from this candle, which is an island candle. So this entire zone has been in a sideways momentum. Okay, so let Bank Nifty come out of that zone, either to come to a conclusion that whether it is bullish or bearish. But in the meantime, in this zones, it's clearly going to act a sideways, sometimes up, down, and it's continuously going on. See, because from here, okay, December 15th, if you start notice, uh, momentum have remained sideways from this particular day approximately. Okay. So from there, December 15th, it's been almost uh, 1 week, less than a month, we are in this direction, irrespective of seeing couple of green candle there, a red candle there. Okay, and again a red candle today now. Okay, so on a larger time frame, on a daily time frame, we don't have any momentum as of such until it crosses either this swing, this all-time swing high zone, or even this area, I mean this area. Okay, so that's how the Bank Nifty is looking on a daily chart. Now let's delete all these lines from the Bank Nifty and then go to Nifty and check how Nifty is looking on a daily time frame. So Nifty, exactly, it has given us a support right there. Okay, because earlier this gap that you see in between these two candles earlier acted as a support, and now the same level, we are seeing Nifty is getting closed at that particular level. On the upper side we have marked this level, okay, and even the all-time high. So even here, and this is going to be the same case. So until it comes out of this zone, okay, if it comes out here, then you have a good chances for a free fall, either till that level or also till 21,000 level, which is the round number. Okay, so that is how the Nifty is here. So this support is sorry, this level is going to act as a clear resistance for the Nifty, and this is first level of support, and this is going to be the next level of support for the Nifty. So that is how Nifty and Bank Nifty are on a daily time frames. Okay, so now let's check the Bank Nifty intraday 5-minute chart to see what we can learn from today's price action, and see how that's going to help us in this knowledge is going to help you in future the trading days. See, as usual, let's start with marking swing highs and lows. So the market has opened here. Okay, so the market has opened here at 48,100 levels, and it has, the first candle has gone in both directions. Okay, it has gone to the high of 48,000, almost 149 level, and it has gone to the low of 48,000, 48,000 level. So the initial candle is not very huge. So If our initial candle is very huge and abnormously large, then we know that that day is going to be a sideways day, just like you know somewhere, yeah, here this candle on January 3rd is pretty big, and notice the price action on that particular day. It's pretty much stayed sideways for the entire day. But today it's not that case, and as you can see as you can see, it's a pretty small a candle, but it's not very clear in terms of direction. And also the first three candles are not very stronger. But before seeing that, what we can do is, I'm again removing the drawings. First, let's see, since it has opened very close to the previous working days close, let's mark the previous working days price action as a support area. And also, since it is very close to the previous day's swing high, I mean the previous working day swing high, let us also draw this now. So as of now, as in then market started, you should have drawn these two support and resistance levels. Now see what has happened is, this has a kind of taken a support. Second candle itself has kind of taken a support at this level. So some might have taken an entry here, expecting it to reach this level, but it is not exactly the candle. So if you sometimes you can take entry in the first candle, but an ideal way to take a trade is to let the first three candles go. But if you are very confident, then you can take a candle. Then you can take a trade into your first candle. Why not second candle? Is because first candles always high, always carries a high volume. Okay, see here, the first bar, okay, he's having a very high volume. So the second bar is, even though it is a bullish engulfing pattern, even though you have a good risk versus reward ratio, but see the volume is very very low. That is because it is the second candle, and the first candle usually creates very high. But if your first candle is green and this is the same red candle, and if it is supporting your risk versus reward ratio, in that case you could have taken this trade, but not in this case. Okay, remember this point, and it might be helpful for you in the future. So now it has seen a kind of breakout from this level. On the first candle, we have seen a whipsaw towards the bottom, and here we have seen a confirmation close below this support area with the confirmation candle coming after that. So now here, it could be a chance if you have a proper risk versus reward ratio. Yeah. So in this case, yeah, your next target is going to be that line. So in this case, your risk versus reward ratio is more than 1.3. So definitely you could have taken a trade there. Or you see, when at least after this breakout, okay, after this breakout from this level, okay, at least here, okay, when prices again have come into that particular resistance area now, before it was support, and now because we are hitting the same zone from the bottom, it is going to be a resistance area. So now at least here, okay, here if you notice, there is a bearish engulfing pattern candle formed there, and according to our bearish engulfing candle rules, which we have a clear video about bearish engulfing pattern and the factors that makes the bearish engulfing pattern very strong, in our candlestick pattern series in our channel. So in that video we have discussed that if your first candle, one of the reasons for bearish engulfing pattern to be stronger is because your first candle's real body here in this situation is very smaller than the candle which engulfed the previous candle. So here definitely there was again a second chance for the entry right there. Okay, so here you should have gone with a pretty good position for the second time, or for those people who have entered here and were confident enough till now, okay, could have simply tried and see your first target is hit at a target of 142 points in the bank nifty, which is pretty good. But okay, when your target is there, and that's the right time for you to get your stop loss to cost, and then you can trial, and you can simply trial and see what are the next possible reactions here. So this is the next reaction which was taken by the bank nifty, all right, at 188 profit. Now that's 188 points of profit now. Now see, after that there is another reaction that is here. This is because these two are the swing highs from uh, some previous price action that is coming from January 3rd again. So you see there, see even that level is reached here. Okay, see even that level is reached here. So from there again prices have started coming towards your second target level. So let's assume that you could have exited here. So even if you are exited there, you are good with 188 points of movement in the bank nifty. But after a certain price action that is gone for the sideways here, okay, which in this case this would have been your all-time support for some time uh, during this price action, because that tested multiple times. See here, that breakout, and then again it has given you a new lows for today, and overall it's a fantastic day. So here you cannot take a trade, because even though this is a confirmation candle level there, look at your loss is very high, and you have pretty less time. We are almost at 2:30, and it is in fact it did come down, but your risk or reward ratio is not looking great in that particular case. So that is how the today's price action was, and I hope you have understood something about today's video, and see you in our next video. Until then, please stay tuned, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. Thank you, and see you.